one of the things as a union that we've been looking at for a long time is working with the Department of Education to ensure that there are many more mental health services for our young people. Now, undoubtedly, teachers are very well placed to pick up on emotional distress in children or changes in their behaviour and so on. But the problem is that we don't have anywhere to signpost the children to. Now, there are counselling services available, but they're not there from the Department of Education. They're actually voluntary organisations, and they would say themselves that they feel that the department there's an onus on them in order to provide those kind of services for the young people. So I would feel that it would be a terrible strain on teachers, because teachers are very often maybe not aware that a child is suicidal, because that can't always be read from a situation, but they may be aware that the child has a difficulty, but it's where to send that child and where to access the help is the difficulty.